Let me solve the problem using SAS. For that, what I have done, I have come here, clicked on the upload and chosen the file that is required, which you every time you are doing, chosen this file CSV, and it is already available with me. So let me read that file and create a dataset called sales data. So you have got 15 columns and 20 rows because it has taken a blank row. But all said and done, it's anyway all 14 variable has come. Take a look at the contents of the data set. So it is telling you that which are the variable, name is character, all of them has come as a number. So that's good. That's what we wanted. Now we need to find maximum. In SAS, there can be multiple ways of solving. I am showing you one of the method right now. But before that, let me sensitize you why I am doing that way. See, one of the lengthy way could have been that you define max fig at Jan and max month at January 15. Now, if Feb is bigger than January, make max fig equal to February. So February value has gone into max fig and max month equal to February 15. Now what you do, again you go take a look at the March figure. So if March figure is bigger than max fig, you make max fig equal to March 15, max month equal to March 15, and this is what you do for each and every variable. That way you can find out what is the maximum value and when it has occurred. There is a smart way of doing. What you do, you define array. So this time sales 14 you define, these are the 14 variables you are defining. When you say sales 1, it will mean January 15, sales 2, it will mean February 15. And you are creating an array of the text also, which is containing January 15, February 15, March 15, like that. Then what you are saying, you're defining max fig Jan 15, max month Jan 15, min month Jan 15, min fig Jan 15's figure, min month Jan 15. Now for 2 to 14, all the rows, this is the do loop that you are running. In the do loop, this is how it goes, I equal to this, and end means, you are just saying this is the loop, this is how it goes here. You say if sales I, in the first time it will become sales 2 is bigger than max fig, then do and end here is like a bracket, which means like if this condition is true, do it for both the rows. So max fig will take the value of sales I, which will, like in the first go, will be Feb 15 figure, and max month will take the value of month and NMI, and month NMI already contains this list. So it will take February 15. Again for third I equal to 3, it will take if sales 3, which is March, is bigger than max fig, then max fig is sales 3, max month equal to month NM. So if you take a look, it is doing for each and every row variable, and it is finding what is the maximum value and when it has occurred. The same way you can do for mean as well. If sales I is less than mean fig, then mean fig like that. And then you are creating the message text. If you take a look here, all those things which are in pink are the fixed. In fact, these black and blue are the variable. So, and pipe is the command by which you are concatenating. So if you run this runs in, creates a data set sales 1, and in sales 1 you have got, so take a look, January 15, all those figure were, we were already there till February 16. It created a list of character variable where it just put the month NM1, month NM2, month NM3, like that it has put. And then it has found that maximum for first row was 84, it occurred in January 15, and min was 20, it occurred in June 15. Very much what you had seen here. for second row 82 which occurred in July, and minimum was 12 which occurred in April, and minimum is 12 which occurred in April, and it created the message. Right now you are not able to see the message. It looks like it got truncated, and so what is the way out? You just print that variable. So I am doing proc print data this variable message text so that I can see that output properly. And this is how it has come. Dear Alfred, for you best month was this, figure this, worst month was this, figure this. So it has created what we wanted. It has created the text, and it's created which was the month, what was the figure, which was the worst month, what was the figure. That's what we wanted, and that's what it has done.